Hey YouTube, so this is my 200 video and I might do a giveaway, but this is a review on the Leangle Buckle. So here's the box. The box is really too huge, so I will take pictures and put at the beginning opening of the video. So let's open it. Here are the contents. It looks really nice. Here's the instruction manual. I don't need it. So, and here's the strap, the belt strap and the Leangle Buckle. So you just have to close this. Yes. So I'll make the belt strap first. So, and here's the Leangle Buckle, and these are the cards that comes with it. This is the change card, Leangle Buckle. The batteries are already in, so we can just switch it on. Here's the switch. So you just make these sounds again. So it's the same as the other rousers, the buckles, that it makes the same sound. So now let's hench into Leangle, which is this card. So you just pull it out from here, insert the card like this, and push it in. Take the buckle, attach it, and make the standby sound. Open this. So I'll show you when it's switched on again. The LED lights. So let's try it again. Just put this in. So basically the Leangle Buckle, it's really very little sounds. It's just this sound, open up, and the standby sound. So I definitely recommend this if you could get it together with the Leangle rouser. So, and that's all the sounds that they have. So this is the end of the review. Please rate, comment, and subscribe. Bye. Hey, just to show you that no matter what cards you use, it doesn't affect the sounds. Like I use this. See what I mean? It will make the same sound again. So